Hey guys, welcome to this week's First Air Force One Friday. Today, we're going to be talking about the Navigator. The Navigator is basically a human GPS. Everything that this guy did now is packed into a box about this big by that big. But back then, he had to plot a course on a paper map from one location to another. And as they're flying along, he would have to make sure that they were still on course. He would have compasses, he'd have to watch their airspeeds, he'd have to make sure that their altitude was correct. He had radios to make sure that they were still heading in the right direction. He also had weather radar and a new fancy piece of equipment, a drift meter. He could look through the belly of the airplane to the ground to make sure that they weren't drifting too far to the left or to the right to make sure he could make course corrections for that. And on top of that, they also had the astrophoto. No, that's not WWF. That is a hole in the top of the airplane where he could take a sextant and look up through the sextant to the stars to also verify that they were still going in the right direction. All of this to make sure you stay flying in the right direction. It's just that easy, folks. I'm Guthrie George with Dynamic Aviation. We'll see you next week.